In this video, we're gonna show you the demonstration of different programs in Laboratory 7, which is interfacing liquid crystal display or LCD with Arduino Uno board. And this is the materials needed for this laboratory. First is Arduino Uno board, LCD, a breadboard, LEDs, resistors, and buzzer, jumping wires, and a keypad. So, before anything else, is set up muna natin yung IDE natin. So, first is papunta tayo sa libraries para i-install yung needed for LCD, which is yon Liquid Crystal, I2C, and LCD03. And syempre, yung keypad since gagamit din tayo. And then, eto, try natin ang pinaka-basic para malaman natin if gumagana yung components natin. So, hello world muna. So, yan. Ganito yung demonstration niya sa board.
This is our lab exercise number 7, program 1, Peace, Love, and Code. So, in this program, we should be able to create and design a display that is exactly like the cover image of this lab exercise 7, which is this picture that has a peace word and peace symbol above it, a love word, and then the love symbol at the top, the code word, and then the code symbol at the top also. So this is our Tinkercad. We have here our components. We have Arduino Uno R3 and an LCD I2C 16 by 2. Then this is our code. Then if we run it, it should look like this picture here. So let's start simulation, and that's it. It's the same as the image at the cover page of the lab exercise number 7. Thank you.
Program 2 is a marquee message system. The requirement says that if the left LDR has sensed light, it will display the marking message, "Welcome to the PUPCPE department." Otherwise, if the right LDR sensed light, it will display the marking message, "Goodbye, see you again next time." For this program, I used a 16 by 2 LCD, 2 LDRs, resistors, a potentiometer, and an Arduino. Once I run the program, an initializing message will appear. If I increase the light gain of the left LDR, this message shows. Otherwise, if I increase the light gain of the right LDR, this message shows. This is the code for the program with guide comments.
For program 3, we were asked to create a decimal calculator that can perform the basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The expression formed from typing via the keypad must be displayed over the LCD as well as the output of the mathematical expression. Now let us run the program to see if all mathematical operations are working. As you can see, it has given us the right answer for addition. And before typing in another expression, we must first press the asterisk to clear the calculator's memory. Now let us continue with the other operations. As you have observed, they have all given us the correct answers. And that's it for program number 3.
So, in program 4, password-driven piezo puzzler, gumamit ako ng 8 LEDs and 8 resistor. Yung LEDs is indicator na start ko muna. So, yan. Una, lalabas sa serial monitor is yung enter your name. Pero ako sa components muna. Ito, indicator na kapag tama, may specific siyang pattern. Pag mali, may specific din na pattern. So, enter your name, Sky. So, yan. Tapos, yung tamang password is 0123. Eto, ay 1234. So, unahin natin yung mali. Eto, 0000. Ayan, mali. Pero pag ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama, yan. So, isa pa. Ganyan yung pattern niya pag tama. Pag mali, ganito, bumabalik. So, pag pangatlong attempt na mali, hindi na siya hindi na siya ipag-access dito dahil na-reach na yung max attempts. So, yan. Thank you.
number 5, DIY LCD keypad video game. So, decided to do a ready, set, jump na game. So, kailangan lang natin dyan ng LCD, keypad, tsaka buzzer. LCD nakakonect sa tamang pins, and also yung buzzer, and yung keypad din. And then, here's the code. So, para natin makokontrol yung players sa game, we need to press 4 para left, 6 para right, tas 2 para mag-jump. So, ganito lang ang itsura ng game. Sa una, of course, mag-aano yung title. And meron siyang background music. So, yan. Ayan. So, pwede natin siya controlin to go left or right, tas mag-jump. Kailangan lang niya maiwasan yung obstacle. And then, kapag hindi na niya maiwasan, mag-game over na. And then, pag nag-game over, may magtatanong yung game kung play again. Pag pinas mo A, mag-play ulit. So, yan. And then, game over. And then, kapag tinanong ko ulit kung play again, and pinas mo yung B, which is no, and mag-goodbye. And magre-reset lang tong game na to kapag, of course, nireset mo yung board. So, kapag start mo siya, lalabas ulit yung title ng game. And then, yun. Makakapaglaro ka na ulit.